Living on a Farm by Alan Fowler.
This is what many farms used to look like. A single family owned the farm and lived on it and worked on it. As soon as the farmer's children were old enough, they would help with the chores. They might milk the cows, feed the animals, plant the seeds, or pull the weeds. There was always work to be done. Many different vegetables and fruits would grow on a family farm. There would be livestock like cattle, pigs, and sheep, and poultry like chickens, ducks, and turkeys. The family's food came from their own farm. Some farms are still like that. But today, we get most of our food from much larger farms. Many of these big farms grow just one type of food. There are wheat farms, corn farms, and potato farms. There are farms for every kind of vegetable or fruit. The milk you drink comes from dairy farms. There, machines milk the cows. Herds of beef cattle graze on big ranches. We get eggs, chickens, ducks, and turkeys from poultry farms. There are even fish farms. Feed for farm animals is stored in tall, round buildings called silos. A long time ago, more people lived on farms than in cities. Horses or oxen pulled the plows. People had to do almost all the other work by hand. Now, fewer people have to live on farms because machines do so much of the work. Tractors pull plows that break up the soil, and planters drop in the seeds. Big combines harvest or pick wheat and other grain crops. Some farm jobs are still done by hand. A lot of farmers pick fruit by hand so it doesn't get damaged. Farmers depend greatly on the weather. Some crops, such as oranges and grapefruit, need warm weather. They grow best in warm places like Florida and Southern California. Other crops, such as apples, potatoes, pumpkins, and corn, grow well where it's cooler. All crops need water. Where there isn't enough rainfall, water must be brought in from rivers and lakes. It flows through the farm in pipes or ditches. This is called irrigation. Living on a farm means a lot of hard work. But eating the food you grow is a lot of fun. And it tastes great too.